knee stretches. You're going to be on 2 springs. You're going to have them place their feet flush against the shoulder blocks with their toes curled outwards, and they're sitting a fist stiff distance from their heels. Hands are on the foot bar, thumbs are always with fingers, and their wrists are going to be more forward than they think. Don't let them start with their wrists back here. They're just going to crunch their wrists. So bring their wrists forward. Now round, you want to think elephant with your spine. So you're rounding your spine here. Now, this is a core exercise, but we're going to push through our legs to open this carriage up and let our butt leave our heels. Now, we're going to bring our knees to our chest around our back, try and fit back onto our heel and pull our stomach towards the opposite side of the room as we're doing that. And then push out. Pull yourself away from your thighs. Bring your knees to your chest, soften your shoulders. Push out. Pull in using your core here. This is round, and you're only pushing out to a shin's distance to come in, not this. This is not knee stretches. As you advance, you can push it out a little further, but we still want control here. Out to a short knee. Your arms stay straight the whole time because your arms aren't doing shit. It's coming from your core the entire time. It's like stomach massage here. Your legs are there, but they're not actively doing the work. Then you're going to close the carriage and go into arch. Nothing changes but the upper body. So we were rounded. Now our spine is straight, but it's open. It's like a thoracic spine opener. Your shoulders are rolled back. Same thing. You're going to take your butt off your heels. Bring your knees to your chest to close the carriage. And then push out, round your low back, but keep your upper back straight. Come in, tuck that tailbone. Out, pull in through your core, pull your stomach away from your thighs. Out, in. I don't know what's going on with this hair. 3 more. Out, pull your stomach away from your thighs, round that lower back. Last one. And in. Okay? You do 8 to 10 of each of those. And then you go into knees off, which is the hardest part of the knee series. So you're going to bring your hips over your knees and tuck that tail. Your ass isn't sticking out. Your tailbone is tucked. You want to think elephant. Once again, elephant, like that spine, repeats itself throughout the sequence. So you're going to look between your legs. You're going to pinch like a penny or an orange or whatever you want in between your armpits to lift your legs 2 inches off the mat. Then you're going to push out and in, keeping your knees hovering and your spine rounded. So your knees aren't up here, right? They're low. It's very difficult to do. And you're pushing out with your thighs and pulling in through your lower abdominals and then growing. And that is knee stretch series. Whew, that was brutal.